Let's develop a simple site plan for a given address. Click on Create a Project, type in your address. Once the address is selected, you can name your project. This is search by address. We call this Los Altos Home, whatever name you want to give it, and click on Create a Project. Confirm. And the project is being created. Wait for the creation of the project. Once the project is created, simply click on it. There's many more options such as Media and Project Binder, but we're going to talk about just simply generating a site plan. Information of the site is here. Click on the site plan editor. Automatically it opens up, marks all of the property lines, the roof lines, and also the trees that are recognized on the ground. Any of these could be changed from scratch, or you could change it and update them as you wish. For example, this area has a lot of trees, so we can go into the data layer and turn off the trees if you want to. Once you have the property located, and also if you want to make any changes to the property lines based on the aerial photography underneath it, you can verify all of these by taking a look at the 3D viewer and making sure that the property lines and everything is aligned. Once you have that, all you need to do is simply go to Export and select the format that you like, the paper size that you like, and simply click on Generate Export. There are many types of exports that are available to different plans that you have acquired, that you have purchased. And simply by doing so, you now have created an export of a site plan of a fairly large property within minutes. Click on Open. You will see the site plan information and all the data behind it that is opened as well. Have in mind, you have many other formats. For example, the screenshot format is more detailed. This is the screenshot format, which is to scale. However, it has the latest aerial imagery under the site plan layer. Basically, in this scenario, you have a site plan that is detailed to the scale. All the details are highlights. However, it has the latest aerial imagery right under the site plan. It is that simple to generate a site plan. You can export it, you can import it, and use it in different formats.